Okay, it's happening. Lever.io is launching in a couple hours. I am so excited about this, and I just wanted to give you a sneak peek of what your profile could look like if you join the Lever family. So it's really easy to sign up. You can join as a creator or a brand, and you just need your name, email, and your main social channel. Super easy. So I'm just going to log in and show you mine. So my main channels are going to be X and TikTok and YouTube a little bit. So it starts off with some images that you can see on the side here that they pulled from some of my live streams. And then they have your ecosystems, your subscribers, and your tags that you use. And then your expected turnaround time. All of this is customizable. And then a little bit about you. So it gives you a little bio. And then your services. So I have mostly Twitter and TikTok services because those are my two biggest channels. And it's really clean. It'll be easy for brands and projects to search you using the tags and also, oh, look, what communities are you talking about most in your content. So yeah, I really want to encourage you guys to sign up. It's really easy. The team is super nice. And if you have any questions, feel free to DM me on X, and I'm happy to walk you through the process. So we've got a couple hours before we go live. And I just want to say thank you to everyone, and I'll see you on the flip. Bye.